friends, welcome to our channel Lifestyle with Shenica. Today we are going to learn a quick juice recipe. For making this juice, take 2 amla or gooseberry and de-seed it and cut it into small pieces. Also take a handful of curry leaves and 3/4 cup of water for this. Now add all the ingredients in the bottle blender. You can also use your normal mixer grinder for this, but today I am making this in my bottle blender. Now after adding all the ingredients, add the 3/4 cup of water also in this, and now along with this add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and also a pinch of salt. Don't add too much of salt, just a pinch of salt is more enough. If you are more health conscious, you can just skip the step of adding the salt and pepper in this and try to drink this juice in morning empty stomach. This helps more in our digestion and improve our gut health and also help get rid of constipation issues. So try to add this juice in your daily diet routine. Now give it a quick blend of 1 minute. The 1 minute of blending is more enough. Now our juice is ready. Now let's transfer it into the glass. Now you can see this, I have added only 3/4 cup of water. So now I got 1 cup of juice out of it. So add the water, some more reduce. You get the juice out of the amla and the curry leaf. So that's it friends, this is the healthy version of juice and it's a quick juice recipe. You can make this juice within 2 to 3 minutes. So try this and give your feedback in the comment section. Also share this video with your friends. Let them also come to know how to make a quick and a healthy juice. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Once you hit the subscribe button, you will get regular notification of our video updates. And that's it friends. And this is Shenica signing off here. Stay tuned. Bye friends.